Go!
Hello everyone, I'm Papa Taibojinu.
Okay, Pau Pau, are you ready to recite the capital city of different countries?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, let's start. Capital city of Czech Republic.
Prague,
Maldives.
May,
New Zealand.
Wellington,
United Arab Emirates.
Abu Dhabi,
Italy.
Rome,
Turkey.
Entada,
Philippines.
Narita,
Canada.
Ottawa,
Brazil.
Syria,
Iran.
Iran,
Jamaica.
Insta,
Ireland.
Dublin,
Japan.
Tokyo,
China.
Beijing,
Spain.
Madrid,
Thailand.
Bangkok,
France.
Paris,
Peru.
Iman,
Fiji.
Suva,
Switzerland.
Bonn,
Mexico.
Mexico City,
Yemen.
Sanaya,
India.
New Delhi,
Uzbekistan.
Pakistan,
Barbados.
Pakistan,
Kenya.
Nairobi,
Sudan.
Khartoum,
Andorra.
Andorra la Vella,
Zambia.
Lusaka,
Indonesia.
Jakarta,
Cameroon.
Yaoundé,
Venezuela.
Caracas,
Portugal.
Istanbul,
Russia.
Moscow,
Australia.
Tampere,
Tunisia.
Nice,
Egypt.
Tokyo,
USA.
Washington DC,
Argentina.
Buenos Aires,
Senegal.
Dakar,
United Kingdom.
London,
Vietnam.
Hanoi,
Greece.
Athens,
Germany.
Berlin.
Yay! Appear!